If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. An officer with Florida Fish and Wildlife was on patrol when he made contact with two individuals at a boat ramp.
How you doing? Is it your boat? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna jump up real quick now. What all y'all got?
I don't know, we got a big grouper of some kind.
And right here?
Back right hatch, yeah. Big one. Right here. Yeah. Yep. No, that's not it.
The turd.
It's triggerfish. They got 3 triggerfish. And what else we get?
Just y'all two?
Yeah, there's 3 of them.
Okay.
You got a red goose? That's not the one that might be a porgy. This one right here. Now, where do you see the next one? It's almost half as big as you are.
Yeah.
What the heck? What kind of grouper's that?
That should be a rock hind.
Where do you see this one? What is this?
Trying to think of the name. Like not a yellow eye,
But it has long fins on the bottom of it. I've never seen one.
Might be
Look
a
at
schoolmaster.
No,
No.
Schoolmaster is way different than that right there.
Big eye,
I've never
maybe.
seen nothing like that.
I mean, these are both deep water fish. That's
700
not
foot.
Yeah, it's not something you see every day.
Oh.
But that should be a rock hind.
Where do you see this though? Not this one. We're so damn excited out there today. Ready? Watch this.
God, oh yeah, that's a good one. You ain't got to take him out.
No, I want you to see it.
That thing's huge.
Is it? Oh my God. Watch your feet.
Yep. Golly.
What the friggin' heck?
That's massive, man. I'm 99%
Ain't that
sure
pretty
that's a
cool?
rock hind.
But then we got a bunch of these here too. I've never seen porgies this big
yeah.
before. Have you?
Very few on commercial boats. That's about it.
Watch this. Look at this. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, a whole bunch of them. That's a little one there.
Yeah, pretty sure those are going to be rock hinds.
You think that thing might be like a world record?
I don't know, man. That's what I'm saying. I probably saw 5 of them in my career. You just don't see them.
I didn't know what it was. I got
Yeah.
He thought it was a Warsaw. I said it's not a Warsaw because I know what a Warsaw looks like. I see. Look at this one.
Oh,
A Warsaw has a big giant fin on its back. In the Bahamas, they have the fish like that, but they don't call them rock hinds. I didn't know rock hinds got that big. Y'all see? Watch your foot there.
Yep.
Look at that one.
golly.
This is
Heck
a good
yeah.
eating fish.
Yeah, y'all got enough to get the grease hot for sure.
Well, we're going to have a cookout.
Yeah, but just y'all two?
Yeah.
There you go. Heck yeah.
That's what I got, but I got to get him.
That's fine, man.
You don't mind?
Yeah,
I got
go
a light.
ahead.
Hold on. I got a light here somewhere. Who's going to wash them?
That's fine, man. Big porgy.
No, that's all right.
Y'all got plenty of those.
I got,
I thought all your porgies back in there. Man, that's awesome.
that's crazy, huh?
Speckled hind
Speckled hind.
is what that one is.
I'm curious if that's the world record, because I didn't think they got much bigger than 18 inches. When I caught that one right there, because he caught that one.
You ain't got a rag, do you?
I got water. I don't have any rackets
That's
here.
fine.
Spray your hand off, it'll be better. Okay. It's fresh water, obviously.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
They,
We did pretty darn good. I have all my safety stuff too.
that's fine, man. They, I'm just.
You gonna be taking fish on picture how big
No,
that is?
my boss man, he knows. He knows
yeah,
all
I'd like
these.
to know what that one
That's
is.
what I'm fixing to text him and show him what.
I have never seen a fish like that. It looks like some sort of a snapper crossed with a vermilion or something.
Yeah, I was trying to remember if there's a big eye or something. That's
I
what.
thought that was a tuna. The big eye's a tuna, ain't it?
No, that they have another it's like some type of snapper like fish, but
I could kick them.
y'all don't have any more fish on here, man.
No,
Okay. So
I got this kill box up here, but I don't never put it in here because it leaks. So I just put ice in there.
I got you.
Yeah, this is just dry boxes that aren't really dry.
Long tail bass is what it is. That's what I couldn't. A long tail bass.
Are they edible?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're good. What did y'all measure them on?
I got this thing right here.
I don't know what you put him down up under it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he looks like.
Yeah, he's 21, 22 inch.
Yeah, he's good.
He actually, I got him and he got off right next to the boat, started floating. I felt terrible. I said, oh, I'm going to get that dang fish right there. I know he's going to make it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Hey, these big boys back in there.
Yeah, you can drop it.
So,
I'll
man,
get this one right here.
the only issue is Triggerfish is closed. And they're actually, when they are open, you can only have one.
Okay.
So, y'all aren't supposed to have those right there.
Alright, I guess you have to write me tickets, I guess. I don't know what to do. I didn't. Alright, that's fine.
I'm telling you, brother.
No, I believe you. I'm not a big triggerfish type of guy, but I got guys that work that like to eat them.
Gotcha.
Me, I'll put this big one back in there.
Yeah, man, you're good. That's a catch right there.
That's a slob and a half right there.
That's awesome.
I didn't even know they got that big.
They're called Kitty Mitchell's speckled hinds.
Kitty Mitchell. Yeah, I've heard of that before.
But
I know it's Kitty Mitchell.
it's a beautiful boat, man. You have your fishing license.
Yeah, I have a lifetime.
Go do what you need to do right now.
I just want to wash off my hands. I don't want to get stuff all over my boat. You know my ID?
Yeah, if you got your ID and your boat
I think I got it
registration.
on me.
Did you and your buddy catch the triggers?
Yeah, I think I caught two maybe.
I
Or I might have caught all three. I caught all three.
I'm just leaving them right there, man. I'm gonna go get my truck and pull up over here real quick. All right. Hey, man, them triggerfish, did you catch any of them? No.
What's up with it?
Did you catch any of them at all?
No, what's
He caught all of them?
Yeah, what's up with
Okay, they're closed. Yeah.
No.
And you're only supposed to, when they are open, it's only one per person. So he would, if he caught all of them, he's would be way over his bag limit. But
well, then can I take one of them?
that's up to you. I'm just asking who caught them. Is what I'm asking.
Well, give me one of them, and that won't put him over the limit, right?
No, it still put him over the limit because it's only one per person. Well, yeah, it still put him over the limit because when they are open, it's only one per person. You don't have three. So
Three?
yeah, either he caught three of them, which is two over the limit, or he caught one of them, or two of them, or whatever. Did you catch one of them?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Okay. You got your fishing license too. Let's see.
It's back in the truck.
No, that's fine, man. Y'all just get everything secure, man. I'll be back with you. Huh? I don't need that. I just need your driver's license.
I'll put it down.
So did you catch two of them or three
I
of
just
them?
caught them all.
Alright, he's saying he caught one of them.
I don't know who caught them. To be honest with you.
I got you.
When we seen that big old fish right there, I don't even know what happened to all the rest of the fish.
Okay.
It's okay. Take off. So whatever we got to do, we got to go to the jail or whatever.
No, man, we ain't going. Hey, just relax. When nobody's going to jail, y'all get everything secure. Just leave the fish right there, and I'm gonna go grab my truck. Okay.
Yeah, we're not going.
All right, man. Hey, man, do you mind putting them triggers in there for me? So if y'all don't have this app, I would definitely recommend it. Us and Noah both put it out, and I've used it in Louisiana.
Yeah, I'm gonna get whatever it is.
Louisiana, Georgia, Florida, Alabama, all those states. I know it works. But so this
What's
is
it called?
It's called Fish Rules. They have it.
Okay.
You can search all the pictures of the fish. Like say I just looked up trigger, but you look on gray triggerfish, it says closed.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, and it goes off your GPS location. So that's us. I've used it in Georgia, Alabama, Louisiana, and Florida. I'm not working more states, but
It says, what does that say? 15 inches?
yeah, they got to be
One?
15 inches. Did y'all measure those at all? I haven't looked
I
at
don't
them.
know. I think they're about that big.
Yeah, they're pretty. They look like off my eye. And then see, you got state and federal. So state's 9 miles further on, and federal's past
Way out
past
that, yeah.
9 miles plus.
Yeah.
So what, 15
we were
inches?
70 miles, 80 miles.
Yeah. So y'all were definitely in federal waters.
Yeah.
But C1, and they got to be 15 inches. But yeah, just get
Just one
that.
per boat or one per person?
One per person. So, but that's what it looks like.
Okay.
But download that.
Yeah, Fish Rules.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that's
And,
not a problem. We could do that.
But yeah, you just got. I mean, if you download it, plug it in before you go out, like sync it, and it'll work offshore. Just if
Really?
it, yeah. So just
Really?
sync it to where you're gonna go out of, and as long as you're not going over state lines or whatever, you should.
Well, because we're 70 miles out. So it's only good for 9 miles. You said, so.
No, it's good past 9 miles. If you sync it, like say you're pulling out for your loose cell service,
Right.
it'll pick up where you're putting in at.
Right.
So you can still use the app without
So you're saying it
cell
holds
service.
the information is what you're telling me.
It holds the
Okay,
information.
I got you.
So
All right.
it's not like you can't click on it and then it's not going to show you anything. So
Okay.
you can see what's open. That's your registration.
Yep.
So have y'all? So wrote you for the out of season and
Yeah.
for the
No problem.
and I also wrote you for the out of season. Okay, since you said you took one fish.
They're all my fish. Just write me for them. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Seriously.
Well,
It's
I mean, I had
good.
it right. He said he took one fish.
I-
So
I don't
y'all
think he knows what he took, to be honest with you, because he's the
Okay.
one that caught that big old grouper. But
okay.
I don't want him
Well,
to
y'all
get in trouble
can-
for something he didn't do. You know what I mean?
I got you. Well, that puts you way over the bag limit if you
That's-
take. They.
I don't know.
And he's
what
already
to
told
tell
me
you.
he's taking one. So
I told him I'd take one. I didn't catch one, but I'd take one and take the heat off of you. So
Whatever. I don't care.
Yeah.
It's really irrelevant. I didn't know. I mean, it is what it
And
is.
that's
Just
what-
pay
have
the-
y'all-
You just pay the money, and that, I guess I don't know.
I'll ask, have y'all ever been in trouble before with FWC or
No,
anything?
never.
Okay. So they take that into consideration. So explain that when you. But your information right here, what's a phone number for you? So give it about a week, call that number, and you can explain what happened, and they can tell you what you need to do from there. I just need your signature out there, not a admission of guilt, saying you're accepting the paper copy. But
Date it.
nope. So give it at least a week, but make sure you have it handled by that date, or you will need to appear in court
Yeah, it's
during
not
that
a
date.
problem. I'm
Okay.
gonna have somebody look into it, 'cause I don't know nothing about it.
And it's through Franklin County, so it's right here. So you call that number. Same thing for you. You're just for the out of season, since he said he took 2 of them, and you caught 1. Same thing.
down here.
Yes, sir. Not a mission of guilt, saying accepting paper copy. But just give it a week. Y'all can call that number and they can explain to you.
So is this a court date thing?
That's what I'm saying. Give it a week and call that number.
Mhm.
You don't have to appear in court if you get it handled before that date. So you can usually take care of it over the phone by calling that number in like a week. If not, you will have a court date. That's what I'm saying.
All right.
You understand that?
Yeah, I just call an attorney and see what. 'Cause I don't know nothing about it. I've never been in trouble with this, so I'm gonna tell you. You ready?
I'm ready.
You have
All
a good
be
evening.
careful, guys.
Be safe.
Yep, y'all as well.
In the end, Lloyd was charged with being in possession of triggerfish during a closed season. He entered a deferred prosecution agreement that required $100 in program fees and 15 hours of community service. Not even 3 weeks later, he met the diversion program's terms and the case was dropped. Richard was charged with being in possession of triggerfish during a closed season and being over the bag limit of triggerfish. He pled no contest to both charges and his adjudication was withheld. He was ordered to pay $300 in costs and fees. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.